Welcome to Palombara, Sabina, a small town 45 minutes out of Rome. Meet Nonna, a local of the town who has lived here her whole life. Nonna is a whiz in the kitchen and also super cheeky. This is her home. She has opened it up to us today so she can teach us how to make a traditional Italian pasta. Nonna doesn't speak English, so meet her niece Nadine, who will be translating all of Nonna's instructions and wisdom. After a quick look around the beautiful town and a couple of glasses of Prosecco, it was time to get cooking. Okay, so Nonna's got the gear ready. She's putting the apron on. She's speaking Italian and her niece is speaking English to translate for us. And we're into it. She said if you don't work, you don't eat, so I better get to
Wow!
We use it for many things, but also to make pasta actually. We dip it down, and we make a hole inside of our flour. So very large, okay guys? Just a tiny bit and also maybe... No, actually you have detto, it's okay.
I've already made a mistake.
No, not a mistake. Not a mistake, no.
È che noi dovremmo battere le uova dentro.
So we put a well with the flour. We're going to put the egg in. Oh, you put the egg in? Good.
Okay. And at this point, we start. We party.
Party.
Next party. Yes. May I?
You can start in the flour.
More. You don't have to be scared from the stage.
Se fa giorno, se va notte, è tutta pura così.
You have to be needed help by Nana.
I feel so Italian.
Yes, so good.
Molti italiani.
So can we eat yet?
You got to like open it up and put it in.
Oh really?
Detto che l'aveva provata. Yes.
Bravissimo, non è vero che non l'avevo fatto.
I'm trying.
Very good, Lily.
It's always fun. It's always fun.
Mi ha fregato,
So for the record, my one has turned out better than yours. Look at that.
Can you test, Nonna?
I've got a few cracks. This is not okay.
No, Nonna will show you the test to see when it's ready. Okay.
Molto morbidi, non andate giù come l'ombelico del mondo, non serve.
You just want to press softly, gently, okay guys? And when you see the imprints that are not there anymore, you see? You know it's ready because all of the gluten has been working well. But we made pasta and that they still use actually because they're much faster this way. And of course, you make a big bowl used for many things, any kind of dough, even pizza, so that's not wrong, but mainly also for pasta, so to roll the pasta dough. Nonna, when she's doing this movement, she's not using any kind of force, okay guys? So it's softly caressing, okay? Like a baby or an animal, a puppy, okay? Think about that. And then you open it up fast, okay?
Oh gosh.
Vai!
Fine, guys! Good job! Very good. Come on! Oh, your turn! Oceania. Ok, lo so, Nuova Zelandese, lo che sai
Nuova Zelanda, come lo chiamano?
Kiwis li chiamano.
I kiwi.
Non i frutti, no, she's thinking about the fruits, the kiwi, the fruit, no, perché sono animali.
I'm green on the inside.
Io i kiwi ce l'ho.
Nana has the kiwi, not the steak. She has the plant, but then say no, another kind of kiwi.
Dolce, dolce.
Softly. Left hand fast. Open it up.
So the first pasta we're making is farfalle, which means butterfly. So the butterfly style pasta.
Here on the wooden board Nonna Angela prepared, because this way then it's easier for her to cook them all.
After making our first pasta, favale, we moved on to the second pasta, fettuccine.
Go up. Come on. Hey! Just the last one. Just this one.
By this stage, I was starting to feel pretty confident, but it didn't take me long into the process of making ravioli to need a visit from Nonna. I don't know.
Are you okay, Mr. Kiwi? Are you okay?
Mine's looking a little bit like a wrapped present right now. No, they're good.
Yeah, but then they're pirate ravioli, okay? They need touching. Oh.
This is where the real stars excel.
It's not like it's inside in the filling. No, it's okay.
Pasta making is a very humbling experience. You think you're getting ahead of the game and you think you're getting it, and then Nonna just looks at you and says you're not even close.
Lecca bene, mangia tutto. Pulisci.
So this is the stage that we go into the kitchen now and we enjoy the cooking process.
Cook.
Now they're
Let's
golden
cook.
and brown.
No, I'm not cooking. No, just first course.
Buon appetito!
Bon appetito! Pistachio, olive oil, parmesan, and homemade bow ties. I think this one was your one. Yum.
Hey, look at that!
It's clear water!
Ricotta, spinaci che galleggiano.
Ricotta floating!
Beautiful.
So we did a good job!
No mistakes here.
Bravissimo.
Second course, we are having ravioli, and it's really simple. Obviously, it's filled with ricotta and spinach, a little bit of parmesan. But with the sauce, it's just like a bit of butter, sage, and a bit of pepper.
All right.
Get in, dig in. Buon appetito.
Buon appetit. Buon appetito.
Guys!
E mangiate che ce n'è?
Yes, and eat that there's more.
We made it.
L'inno come si dona, dai.
No, non breathe.
Forza Italia!
Italia.
Third course, fettuccine.
There must be another way of saying it. I'll check. No, so good.
What do they say? Al dente. Onion, carrots, garlic. Buon appetito. Thank you so much. Grazie.
Grazie a te,
We had the
grazie a
best
te.
time.
Grazie a te.
Thank you so much. Definitely book this experience. It was epic.
Guys,
Ciao. Ciao belli.
Wow.
Unbelievable experience. Just, you saw the smiles on our faces, you saw the engagement we had with Nono, and it's just amazing.
It was so much fun, and like we were in a nice small group, everyone was having a good time. Nonna and Nono, this experience is on Airbnb. If you would like to do something similar yourself, we'll link it below in the description.
Hey, if I enjoyed cooking, someone did something right. So there you have it.
Might get you.
And also have a look at this beautiful sunset behind us. We're out in the Italian sort of hills. It's just a magnificent spot.
Yeah.
You got to do it.
Buon appetito.
And we'll see you next time on A Couple of Kiwis. Yeah, no, definitely. Thanks for watching.